As you can see, guys, by Mr. Nikoloi, and I'm sitting at the back with all of these things by Misa to show right. That was like, yeah. So I'm continuing the video now. I don't know where we are. Hey, Sentin, our Ghosty. That's where Ghosty is going. So let me see if, but I can't see at the back. It's just, you know, when people are looking at you, it's gonna be like I'm shooting them, and I wanted to show the roadblock, but there's like 3 metro cars parked there. So, but at least even in il chapelle episode nyana bo il ponse RTPS spot. Yeah, so as I was saying, like Kaihupula Monte Casino, because we were on the way back from even Harties, we even went to Harties. I think we need an episode like that. I must just maybe speak to my aunt, maybe a sharp episode emergence, because it was a family thing, you know. Yo, 1.6 meters. Yo, it's an estate selling from stands. Yo, it's not even a house, it's a stand. So you're just buying an empty land for 1.6 million. Oh, no wonder these houses give 10 million. If stand give 1 point something meter. Yo. But yeah, guys, yo, look at this guy's being escorted. Maybach. Oh, that's a Maybach. That guy on the Maybach is being escorted, guys. I miss the other cam. I miss the other camera because I'd be seeing my face right now. But it's fine, guys. It's fine. Even the quality I see if it's not the dollar dates quality it's hey, Marastwana Sako, Sutu Saka sa improve. What's it? So yeah, guys, we're on the way now. So Kitlonka this video saying I refit because it's just gonna be the same. It's just gonna be wire. But I make my video theory. By the time they make Shapadi video, you see here's other cops stopping us. It's the ancestors have cleared the road. This is a very I think this is a very good road. This thing is so big. So big. Oh, there's another roadblock in front, I think. Yes. There's like 2-3 roadblocks in one street. Okay, the street is long. Yeah, I can't get roadblock. But yeah, guys, thank you for tuning in. Yeah, ke roadblock. So, Arishebo, Dinto di voyage one. And yeah, Marawati by never bury any Rafita, as you can see, we're waiting for the other cars because the roadblock is there. Then as you can see the cop cars there. Let me try zoom in. You see the cop cars they are parked. So now the roadblock nyana. You see here's the cops. So yeah. Now the roadblock nyana, but yeah, it's fine. I think probably when I just get searched, stop and search, and it's fine. So yeah, let's just see, guys. Yeah, I'll just end the video here for now because I'm scared to shoot him up on this. As you can see, I zoomed before I stopped the video. So here's the roadblock. So yeah, guys, stay tuned and then you'll see the rest of the episode. Yeah, just stay tuned to the channel, subscribe, and then yeah.